Giant oil tanker ships carrying crude oil or LNG will take a sea route from Vladivostok in Russia to Chennai in a year if everything goes well as per plans. Though it was proposed 2 years ago, Chennai Port Trust will start the process to identify a consultant this week to study feasibility of Chennai-Vladivostok sea link via the Straits of Malacca and South China Sea, covering ports in Malaysia, Philippines and South Korea. A tender was floated in March and the technical bids will be opened on Friday. The commercial bids or final bids are likely to be opened on April 22nd. The consultant will study the route, its revenue potential, the kind of goods that can be transported and other details in a span of around 4 to 5 months after the contract has been awarded. The Eastern Maritime Corridor is shorter and this will enable ships to sail to the destination in Russia in 24 days as against the longer route via Suez Canal and Europe. The proposed Eastern Maritime Corridor will link ports of Chennai, Visakhapatnam and Kolkata with those of ports in Vladivostok, Vostochny and Olga in the east coast of Russia. The main aim of the route is to import crude oil and LNG as part of the efforts to explore import options from countries other than those in the Middle East, said an official. ONGC Videsh has already started production in an offshore field of Sakhalin Islands in Russia. There is also scope for bringing coal, timber, machinery, agriculture produce, vehicles, tin, gold, diamond and other materials from Russia. Currently, there are some cargo movements from Chennai to Vladivostok, according to reports. This cargo passes through Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Myanmar, Malaysia and reaches Suez Canal from there to the east coast of Russia. So far, there is no direct connectivity between Chennai port and the Russian ports. Hence, it was proposed to take up the study. The planning for route started after Prime Minister Narendra Modi signed an agreement at Vladivostok in 2019. News Desk, Kaumudy English.